Peter Toth, and welcome to Toth Talks, Getting Unstuck, Episode 3, Mindset. When we think about mindset, it's usually in the terms of a fixed mindset versus a growth mindset. Carol Dweck does a great job of defining these terms and explaining the differences between them. We're going to dig into that a little bit today. So a fixed mindset is the idea that there is a fixed set of skills and attributes and characteristics that we each possess. And they're well defined and they are within certain limits. Whereas a growth mindset, instead of focusing on those limits, focuses on our potential to move beyond those limits. So our potential for growth, to continue to move forward through work and effort and experience and practice. But movement is possible. A big part of that mindset is accepting within our own minds that we can continue to grow. So when we get stuck, we often focus on those limitations. And there's lots of reasons why we can get there. But when we create statements that limit ourselves, that can lead to us getting stuck, or it can make it harder to get unstuck. So a statement like, I'm not good at math, or I can't dance, or I can't speak in front of people. These are all statements that limit our potential for growth. And the more we repeat them to ourselves and to other people, the more powerful they become. They become the mantra that holds us in place and stops us from moving forward. So how do we change this? Well, one of the most powerful elements that we can use is a simple word, yet. I'm not good at math, yet. I can't dance, yet. I'm not good at speaking in front of people, yet. Each time you put in the word yet, it still acknowledges that there are limitations. The limitations are there, but it takes away the power and adds the potential that we can move beyond those limitations. We can slide that scale a little bit. It doesn't mean that we're suddenly going to be the best dancer in the world. I'm not suddenly going to be Fred Astaire. However, and I know I dated myself with that example, however, I can be better than I am right now. I have the potential to get moving, to build that momentum. It starts with talking to ourselves, including that word yet, and then it extends to using that word with others. When we start dialogues, when we talk to others, we set goals, we intentionally design situations that will get us moving and accepting and believing that we can move forward. And a big part of that is ownership. Often when we're stuck, we don't think we can move. So we have to shift our mindset into a space where we actually believe that we can move and we take ownership of that movement. We're not waiting for someone else to move us. We are going to move ourselves forward. So a big part of what we're going to talk about moving forward next time is self-compassion. See you then. Thank you and have a wonderful day.